I'm Marco Raimondo with our washers at washmart.com. What I'm going to present to you today is a completed machine that we built for a client. It's going to be an oil and gas customer in Porte Texas. What we've put together is a chassis. Some people call them a trailer, some people call them a portable unit. Whatever you want to call it, it doesn't really matter, but essentially it is it's an adaptation that is transported by wheels, and you can get a license plate put on and you can transport it. We have a 330-gallon tote. This is going to be the water reservoir, so whenever they're on the job site, they can fill it up, and they can use that as a water reservoir, especially if they have limited water or limited water supply. They're not going to have to worry about it cavitating the pump. We use an epoxy primer with single-stage acrylic urethane for the top coat on the frame. That is going to be a very resilient way to coat the metal. It's not a practice that's commonly done by most pressure washer manufacturers. I actually don't know of any that actually do it other than us. But it is a very effective method on preserving the life of the frames. This is going to be a soap tank. You can either downstream or upstream with it depending on application. That's what this tank is for, so they're not having to have a 5-gallon bucket and putting a suction on it. This is going to be the Comet TWS 5550. It's going to be a 5,000 PSI at 5.6 GPM rated pump. We use these on our rentals and our fleet and our machines that we sell regularly. It's a very reliable pump. We like these for these industrial applications. The engine, this is going to be the Kubota D1105, currently the most resilient engine that is on the market that is currently produced that we're aware of. We've run through other engines, but this is pricier than some of the other engines for the pressure washer industry, but these engines last a very long time and have very few service issues. If you're looking for longevity and you're planning on being in this business for more than 5 to 8 years, I would recommend getting this engine for longevity. We have a tank and coil. It's going to be 18-inch, 4-pancake coil. We're going to have a 12-volt Beckett burner. That's going to be what's powering this with the fuel tank. We have an on and off switch with a fuel gauge and an hour meter. And that's going to conclude this machine. If you have any questions about it, you can contact me online. You can send us an email at ourwashers@gmail.com. Thank you for watching the video. My name is Marco Raimondo.